In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove image background for free without sign up required. As you can see already, we are on the platform. It's called remove.bg. The URL is remove.bg. I'm going to add the URL to the description so you can just click it from there, or you can go to your browser and type in remove.bg. It's that simple. Now, when you're on the platform, what you want to do is click on upload image button. Once you click on this, it will take you to your Explorer. So you choose. So for me, I've prepared a picture we can use for this video. So I'll go to my downloads. Here, pick this image. Now the image has been uploaded and the background is in the process of being removed. This might just take a little while depending on the strength of your internet. As you can see, it has been removed already. It's very obvious that there is no background on this image anymore. So what you want to do is simply click. By the way, you can do some other things here. You can design it further, adjust. You can add some effect, maybe do whatever you want with the background or cut out whatever. But for me, I'm just going to click on download, then pick this for free. It has been downloaded. So I'll go back to my downloads on my system, and you can see this already. This is the first image and this is the one that we removed background from. So it's that simple. If you want to remove your image background, just simply come over to remove.bg and it will be done. If you found this video valuable, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you and see you in the next one.